Friends, in Vedic astrology analysis, studying the planet till the nakshatra becomes very important, because if you are just studying a planet only till its house and the zodiac sign placement, that will not give you the complete elaborative picture of the innate potential of that planet. And when we talk about the planet Saturn, which is a planet of the destiny, which is a planet of your professional endeavors, all the result of your hard work, so that means Saturn's nakshatra placement is just not a mere star placement of the Saturn. It's like your hidden karma code. You would have seen lot many times when people go to a field and somehow they even did not know that by themselves that they have a knack for this field. They have a natural inclination and talent for this field. That is the only reason some people in specific profession pick up the trade very quickly. I was watching the interview of one of the javelin thrower Olympic winner, and he said this thing, that when he first time went for that sport, it was just like a hobby and curiosity, and he did not know that he has a talent for that. So guys, if your Saturn is going to be placed in the nakshatra of the sun, leadership and governance in your work comes natural to you. If it is moon, in the public roles. If it's Mars, connected with activism, military, engineering, will come natural to you. If it is Mercury, communication, Jupiter, education, Venus, luxury, creativity, diplomacy. If it's Saturn in itself, then governance, management, Rahu, technology, innovation, and if it's Ketu, then research will come natural to you.